Your EzyCourse platform allows you to have affiliate users. These are users that are selling your products on your behalf. Now, an affiliate user gets a unique link, and when somebody clicks on that link and purchases a product, the sale of that product is attached to that affiliate. And you can set affiliates up to receive a commission on a percentage basis or maybe a fixed price for products that they sell through their links. Great way to build more visitors to your products. You can get maybe website owners to share products on their websites. You can get customers to share it with friends and family, all of that sort of thing. So you can create affiliate users in the affiliate users section, and in the transactions section you can see all of the transactions that your affiliates have made for you, and that allows you to then see who needs what paying back to them in terms of their earnings. So it's a really good way of generating more business at the same time as rewarding others for helping you along your way.